Hello and welcome. Today I want to show you something that I got a while ago and I wanted to show you, which is the Body Kun. So this is it. This is a figurine articulated that you can put in any pose you want and use it as reference for your drawings. I really like it. I think it's really useful. You can move anything that you want and put in any pose. You have this thingy here where you can stabilize your figurine and then you can take a photo and use it for your own drawings. Other than that, it comes with a lot of other hands that you can use. So if you want to draw a closed fist, an open hand, a hand pointing, there's lots of options here and you can change them fairly easy. So you just pull the hand, see, very simple. They can be a bit more difficult to put it back, but it's not that difficult. And then I can go here, grab another hand that I want to try and put it here. So yeah, sometimes it can be a bit hard to fix it in place, but at least we are sure that it will stay in place. I put it in the wrong arm, but that's fine. You get the idea. And well, there's two types of these figures. You have the Body Kun and you have the Body Kun. So you have both a male and female option. So far I only have the male one, since I want to study more male characters at some point. But I'll get the other one too. Oh yes, another thing I want to mention, this comes in other colors. There's this gray, there's a darker gray, and there's a skin tone color. And I really like the gray one because, as you can see, we can very clearly see the shadows. So it is also a nice way to study shadows. You take a picture of your figure and then you can see their shadows and draw them. So I think it's really cool. And well, let's see how this will work in practice. I'm going to take some pictures of it and then I'm going to draw it on my computer. So let's see how my character will look like. Okay, so this is it. This is my character and this is Body Kun. I hope you like this video, and if you're interested in something like this, I have a link below to Amazon, so check it out and get your own Body Kun and, I don't know, show me your own characters at some point. Bye bye!